we're here at IAdea in Barcelona 2022, and I'm joined by John from IAdea.
Yes.
Nice to meet you, John.
It's a pleasure to be here.
Yeah.
Casper, thanks for inviting us.
Definitely, it's a pleasure. John, could you put a few words on you and your company?
I run IAdea, so we're a manufacturer of room scheduling panels, and we specifically optimize for Pronestor software, so everything's tightly integrated and ready to install.
Yeah, super cool. And could you please put a few words on, John, what you expect to get from this event at Barcelona?
So events like this are super important for us to meet with partners and also potential integrators to understand what's really happening in the market and what's being needed. And also together we could define our next generation roadmaps and be ready for the future.
Yeah, so and again from our side, it's super important that we can connect and we can align expectations. Exactly. So that is so good. And as we discussed yesterday on some of the benefits that come from your panel, so could you please put a few words, John, on the topmost challenges that you see that your customers or partners come with in regarding to your panels and how you solve it?
So with return to work, we're seeing a huge demand for room scheduling, and a lot of software and a lot of deployments out there are actually opting for consumer-grade devices like the iPad, which we see are failing in the market by big numbers. So IAdea specifically designed our devices to be suitable for 24/7 operation. Also, they're very easy to install. You just use one power over Ethernet wire to provide continuous networking and power capability with super stability. And on top of that, with this growing scale of projects, we pay a lot of attention into having an MDM called IAdea Care that will remotely monitor hundreds or thousands of devices out there, so you could maintain these systems running reliably without too much effort.
Yeah, and especially the last thing, where the IT have fully control of all the panels in the company, which is a computer that sits within the facility. So having control of that one is super important.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and with your great product, we have topped it with our software to make this good experience, and that is regards to meeting room display panels, where we with Pronestor Display gives our customers a much better tool for getting a good experience at the meeting rooms, but also addressing the need for getting a better use of meeting rooms, but also getting an idea how much they're being used.
That's right. That's right. We see our users appreciating Pronestor software, how simple it is to integrate everything, and then be able to understand the efficiency of the meeting room. So we're really happy with the partnership.
Definitely. And if we look a bit forward into the future, John, where do you see we are heading with the panels?
IAdea, we're seeing the panels getting smarter. They're being integrated with sensors, so check-in and check-out of rooms becomes completely frictionless. And by doing that, the occupancy data becomes very accurate and real-time. So I think that's the next step for our panel.
Yeah, and giving back that data to the customers so they can improve their office facilities is super good. So thank you, John, for meeting with us and taking your time to discuss.
Thank you, Casper.
Yeah, always a pleasure.
And please do visit our website.
Yeah, at pronestor.com, where we have Pronestor Display and the IAdea devices up and running.
Exactly.
Thank you.
Thank you.